Hi, my name is Afia Gyamera. I'm the co-founder and CEO of 40 Analytics, and I was a facilitator on today's program lineup. Now, today's program was super insightful. It was great learning from Julian from Aya Data, learning from Kevin from Bridge Labs, and I mean the participants were so interactive. They had the best questions. Some of them were challenging, but they were like super insightful questions that made me understand that there's a growing demand for AI in Ghana. Now, in my personal life or my professional life, one of the things I would use AI for more is sentiment analysis. So I want to spend time understanding who my customers are and what they are doing on my business site or what they are doing in my business journey. So I'll use AI sentiment analysis to do a deep dive to understand their pain points, when they are dissatisfied, when they are happy, so I can tailor my solutions to serve them better. And so the future of AI in Ghana is looking very promising. There are so many innovative tech startups coming up in this space. There are so many businesses that are utilizing AI. We definitely need more people to join the AI wagon, but so far so good. And I'm super excited about the direction we're heading in terms of AI in Ghana. Thank you.